I am getting ready to take off my nails, and I have a regular just ceramic bowl. I have a large plastic bag. I have my acetone, and I have water that I heated up in my kettle. And you want to make it as hot as you can stand it. And then you want to put the water in your bowl. And then you're going to pour the acetone in the bag. You're going to stick your hands in the bag in the acetone and dip it in the water. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Before I start, I just want to show you that I have everything laid out. So I have my package of in-press nails, and these are the ones that I'm going to be using. I do have other nail files that I got from the Dollar Tree. I have a little stick that pushes back your cuticles for after. I put some hand cream out because I'm going to give myself a manicure after this is done. And I think that that's all I need. I have some cuticle cutters, and I am ready to go.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open our plastic baggie, and we're going to take our acetone and we're going to pour it in. This is where we're going to be sticking our nails inside of the hot water. So we just want to pour all of that in. And I got a smaller bottle just because I just needed it for one use. So I figured that would be plenty for this time. Then we're going to stick our bag in the hot water, and we're going to put our nails inside. And it is going to be warm, and that's good because it heats up the acetone, so it really gets your nails off quicker. And we're just going to leave that in there for probably 3 to 5 minutes, and we're going to keep checking them. We're going to rub our nails together just to try to make the acetone get your acrylics off quicker. So we're going to keep checking and keep rubbing. And I know this step takes a little bit of time, but we have to do that in order to get all of the acrylic off. So we're just going to keep swishing around our nails in the baggie and keep trying to just move the acrylics around so they start coming off. And you're going to see as time goes by that the nails are just kind of melting off. So it saves a lot of steps. And as you can see, it's just rubbing right off. So we're just going to keep doing that for a few more minutes. And now you can see they are really just coming right off. So the longer you leave it in there, it's probably about 3 to 5 minutes, I would say, that I left it in total. And I just kept kind of rubbing them around and moving them around. And it was just kind of just like peeling right off. So it saves a lot of time, a lot of energy, and you don't have to ruin your nails. The nail beds rather, because you're not really scrubbing. And as you can see, they came right off. So it was no pain, and we're going to just file them down a little bit just to get the little bit of remains that are off. And now I'm going to go get some hot water and soap so I can just stick my nails in and give a nice quick manicure. I have my cuticle oil for after, just to replenish your cuticles from all the acetone that was just on them, because it will dry out your fingertips. So I'm just going to now rub the soap and the hot water just over my hands and my nails, and it just feels so good and so refreshing to have those nails off. And now we're just going to give a quick manicure. So now we're just going to wipe off all the soap and the hot water from our hands with a towel that I had handy, and just going to make them all so much better. Now we're going to move that out of the way. And as you can see, everything came off. Nails are fresh and clean. And now we are going to take our press-on nails, the little cuticle stick that came with it. We're going to push back our cuticles. And then I'm going to use my cuticle cutters and just kind of trim them all the way back. So I'm going to do that to all of my nails. And with them just being in the soap and hot water, it was really easy to just kind of push them back. So that was really easy to do. So now, as you can see, our nails are all nice and clean and pushed back. So now we can go ahead and put on some Dove hand cream just because with all the acetone on your hands that you just had, it's good to just kind of give them a little bit of nourishment. And I love the Dove hand cream. I think it works so well. So now we're just going to rub that all over our nails and our hands really well. And it feels so good and so refreshing. And there we have it. So now we're going to go to our next step. I'm going to put that away. And feels so good. Now we are going to take our little cuticle board and we're going to just kind of go over them real quick. And even though it comes with one, I kind of drifted over to my larger ones. The little one was just really hard for me to use to really get it in there well, although I tried really hard to be able to do that. But I did it over a few nails, and then I'm going to go ahead and reach for my larger cuticle board. Okay, so now we're just going to finish up with our emery board, just to make any little bits of nails that were still on. And we're going to take our alcohol wipe after that, and we're going to go over each nail just to clean them off really well, make sure there's no hand cream still on them. And I kind of switch these steps around because I think you're supposed to use the alcohol wipe first, but I did it this way. And then I just reached back for my emery board and just kind of went over them one more time just to make sure it had a rough surface so that when you go to stick the nails on, it has something to really secure it to. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so now we're going to head and open up our Impress nail kit with all of our nails. And what I like to do first is take each one out, fit them to your finger, and then line them all up on the towel in front of me so that I know exactly which nails go on which fingers. So I'm not ruffling through the package trying to figure out which ones go with which one. So we're going to go ahead and do that now, and then I'm going to lay them all out in a row. Okay, so now our nails are all ready to go. They're buffed. They've had the alcohol on them. We have everything ready to go for nail wise. And I did add a dab of nail glue on each one just because I am very hard on my nails. So I figured a little extra support wouldn't hurt. You definitely don't have to do this step. So then you take each nail and you peel off the backing and then you attach it to your nail. And like I said, I did put a dab of nail glue. Just a really small dab. Now you want to press it down for about 5 or 6 seconds. And you want to kind of press all over the nail to make sure all the adhesive sticks to every part of your nail. You want to hold it down really well. And you want to go ahead and do this step with each of your nails. And as you can see with the nails all laid out in front of me, I know exactly which nail goes on which finger, so it makes that step so much easier to do. Okay, so now we're putting on the last nail, and there they are. They're all on, they're all secure. So now I'm just going to take a dab of cuticle oil and put them on each finger just to kind of replenish the nourishment to your cuticles after, soaking in all that acetone. Again, acetone destroys kind of your cuticles, so you want to go ahead and replenish all the nutrients that you can. And you're just going to rub it in really well. And just make sure you get all your cuticles really well. And there we have it. absolutely beautiful, just like you just left the salon. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and these are how the nails came out. And I just absolutely love them, and I don't know why I kept going to the nail salon for so long. Oh, let me take off my glasses. And I think it's really awesome, and I think they're going to stand really good, but I'll report back to you and let you know how they do. And then I also have all these extra nails, and I will keep them in my purse in a little like sandwich baggie, and in case one does pop off, or you know, I have a little accident or something somewhere, I have one in my purse, and then I can just pop them right back on. So that was my video for Impress nails, and so far, I mean, they're on and they feel really sturdy. I mean, it feels literally like I just walked out of a nail salon. You know, obviously it's not going to take as long after you already take off your acrylic nails, because you know, these are going to be easier to take off. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon for some more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.